Before we dive into our video, let's watch this clip.
वीडियो एडिटिंग हैज चेंज माय लाइफ।
मैंने इन 2 महीनों में अपने आप को इतना अपग्रेडेड पाया है इन टर्म्स ऑफ वीडियो एडिटिंग।
What if I told you that you can make your first 20,000 rupees online in just 3 months? मैंने सीखना स्टार्ट किया था एडिटिंग,
जीरो से एडिटिंग, फ्रीलांस वीडियो एडिटिंग।
What separates an average video from one that stops the scroll? It's not the camera, it's not the setup, it's what happens when you hit record, the edit. I'm Sharona and I don't just edit videos, I engineer reactions. And this channel where editing isn't a step, it's a spotlight. Editing isn't just cutting clips, it's controlling attention, it's where storytelling without words. Here, most of the people only see the transition, but where editors can see the transformation. As you know, editing is not to impress, but it is to create impact, where Sharwan can create that impact as well.
నమస్తే అన్న దండా చిన్నదే దండం చిన్నదే.
Editing is not only adding on transitions effects, but some of the other things will also play a major role, like audio, sound effects that we add on every move, narrating clips into a real story, text and more. But wait, many of the people will get confused by listening these type of questions like can AI replace human editors, or can we earn money through this skill in this huge competition, or these type of questions. My answer is I would say no, a big no. Everyone has their own style towards editing. Everyone should use AI tools for every small thing, like they should use any of the AI tools for the time saving, producing quality content to the clients. From my experience, what I understood is editing isn't just end of the video. It is the beginning of how people remember it. Whether it's impact, emotion, it all starts here. So if you are ready to turn clips into real stories, hit subscribe, tap the bell icon and let's build something powerful. Thank you.